Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this watch, which is the Citizen Promaster NB6004 model. It's an ISO compliant dive watch containing their new caliber 9051 movement. I do want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I know for a lot of people this has been a particularly poor year in terms of good news, and unfortunately it looks like with this Omicron variant that's just going to be continuing. But I genuinely and sincerely wish you all the very best for the next year. Hopefully that we'll be able to just tell this COVID bug just to go and do one permanently. Personally, I have family overseas I've not seen for a couple of years, and it's very upsetting at this time of the year. So my thoughts are with you for anybody in that situation. Anyway guys, time to cheer up and let's take a look at some watches. Okay guys, so we're going to be taking a look at this watch, which is the Citizen Promaster NB6004-08E model. This is essentially a ISO certified Promaster model from Citizen's range, and as you can see has that beautiful Orca Whale dial on it that Citizen's dive watches have become famous for. Now the case is 46 mils across. As you can see there, it does have quite a very pronounced crown, which is particularly useful with this knurling on it for using in a dive situation. You can see there it does actually have the Promaster logo embossed as well. Now the case is actually a titanium case, and I've mentioned this in other videos. I personally think Citizen are probably one of the best titanium case manufacturers out there. They really do have it down pat. Their execution on this watch is absolutely fantastic. In some respects it sort of reminds me a little bit of an Omega Ploprof model, in terms of the finishing. The bezel here, very sturdy steel, titanium, and has these screws on, which adds to that sort of utility look. Very nice and very easy to move around, and again, this watch has been designed for a professional environment. So you can see there, very heavy knurling on the bezel, so it's easy to maneuver when you're wearing gloves. As you can see, the watch does come on this nice silicone strap, and you do have a very nice Citizen buckle there, which is also titanium. It's extremely light. Very nice finishing on it, very Panerai-esque almost. The strap, as I mentioned, this very nice soft sort of silicone, and it does actually come with an extension, a spare extension if you are wearing it over a wetsuit. Now this watch contains the caliber 9051 movement, which is a relatively new model from the Citizen factories. It has a 42-hour power reserve and sits at around about 10 to 20 seconds of accuracy. As you can see there, the crystal, which is sapphire, is domed, and it has 200 meters water resistance. Again, this watch is ISO certified as a dive watch. It does have a screw down case back, and like I say, with it being ISO certified, you can be pretty sure that this has incredible reliability, and certainly something that if you are a diver, you can put on the risk and wear it very secure in the knowledge that it's not going to fail you. You see there, typically at the 3 o'clock window, you do have a date. Again, the date window is very small. I think, for me personally, because the face is so far away from the sapphire crystal, or so it seems, that date window can be a little bit difficult to read. I may put that down to my failing eyesight, but like I say, I would like to have seen some sort of magnification there. But again, magnification bubbles on watches can be quite a contentious issue. there are probably more people who hate them than there are that actually like them. But I think from a utility perspective and the ability to see the date, I would have actually liked to have seen that magnified in some way, shape or form. Like I say, 46 mils across, so it's not a particularly small watch by any stretch of the imagination, and I'll show it you on the wrist right now so you can see that. Case thickness is a very thick watch at 15.3 mils, it's not really something that you would wear every day. I think if you are working in a marine environment, if you're in the Navy or you are a diver, or you spend the majority of your time at the beach or in a marine type environment, then yes, absolutely you can wear this watch. It's fine to go with casual wear, but that height on the watch and the pure size of it probably restricts its use to casual. I certainly don't think this could be worn in a work environment. Not for any other reason than just because it's very large, but yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this review. If you do have any questions, please put them in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But other than that, have a wonderful Christmas, guys, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care. See ya.